Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Yeah, I kind of feel like I might have missed something, but actually this is I'm right here right now, and so basically I just walked. I turned. I think I went basically into this one of these main entrances, and this is like one whole store. Pink. I guess it was. Maybe it was different stores, but anyway, it felt like it was like a one store. But anyways, I basically turned the camera on here and just walked through. That was it. So I think this is the biggest mall in Marianas, and here's the thing if you want to see it. That's free Wi-Fi too. Okay. And there's a Hard Rock Cafe in here as well. So yeah, okay, yeah, Galleria. This is the biggest one. So I think I remember seeing it anyways. So okay. There's a shuttle bus. And Bank of Guam, I do want to see that too. So right there's Bank of Guam, CNMI, which is the Marianas. Okay. We're gonna go back inside because so okay, at least you get to see the biggest mall. And it looks like Hard Rock Cafe has the food menu, so I don't think there's a food court in here, in the Galleria. I think I've seen it a little bit online before, and thought it was a little bit bigger, but I guess it looks like it's according to Saipan. Okay, I guess it just looks like it's big. There's the Hard Rock Cafe right there. Okay. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just walk. New Double Chinese restaurant is across the street over there. Here's a tourist thing. Okay. So I guess we'll just walk through.
You should have brought I just didn't like I'm sorry. Like, dang. So I just shut up and just
Okay. Share your amazing photo here. Okay, I guess they do encourage cameras. A lot of times they won't let you use a camera in a shopping mall or in a store. But I guess here there's enough tourists that they... And we're basically going to walk through this pretty quickly. Maybe it was kind of shocking that I went through it so quick, but I guess I'll do it one more time and then we'll end it there. Yeah. So, okay. So yeah, this side seems like the high-end store side. Usually I film in Macau and Asia, and people don't always understand what I say, so dream catchers feels kind of awkward because here if I speak into it and I narrate, everybody so okay, this feels more like a department store, so I'm going to turn it off, and I'm basically at the end of the shopping mall already anyway, so Chiquinha, chiquinha.